Here we go. No, Guy got the first salmon of the season.
Yes, sir, you're right. You got the first salmon of the season.
Doing a little bit of sight fishing.
Just a little bit.
Nice little fella.
Yeah.
Nice salmon. God. Going anywhere, man. Here you go. Well, here we are now this morning. We're getting ready to go in the chopper and do some exploratory fishing.
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper. Is he excited?
I'm pretty excited.
Pretty excited, yeah.
Just a little excited. I suppose I could be more excited.
Yeah, well, we're not there yet. We're going to take chopper, we're going to go over these hills here in the background and fish a lake back there and see what's over there. So,
It's supposed to be some landlocked char.
Landlocked
so that'd
char.
be nice to get some big landlocked char.
it's so.
That'd be easy. It'd be fun.
So, if anybody can get him, we're going to get him.
You're fucking right.
We'll be back. We'll be back. What you doing out there, bud?
I'm having a pee. Having a pee before we go.
Oh my God. Go out and check this lake now, and whether there's landlocked char in it or brook trout or we don't really know, but we're gonna go exploring, hey, by Dad?
Here we are, so I'm going to go exploring. I can't wait.
Yeah, should be
We're gonna
good.
Get over there and get some fish for dinner.
Yeah, we've been informed to get fish for dinner, so yeah, that's the goal, is a kill it and grill it kind of day. So
Kill it and grill it.
man, I'm fucking excited. What a fun day. What a fun day. So yeah, Dad's over there fishing. There's the helicopter there off in the distance. I'm just coming along here now. We've caught a pile of fish, a whole pile of brookies. So now I'm heading over to the other side, which I think both of the boys ain't gonna bother with. And see, because there's a foam pool just down here that I'd be willing to bet there's a couple of fish sitting in.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth.
Sure. One more cast.
From a distance you can tell.
Happy birthday, Dad, boy. How does it feel to be 1 year older up in the lodge?
Gotta love it. Lovely place to be with the young fella up down with trout. I love that. Down here. Yeah, I see you, Nana, yeah.
Drop back.
Alright, I'm gonna put her on hold, Gunnar.
The one that just came up behind the boat. Whoa, what a beauty, Dad. That's a fucking big fish.
Beauty! Beauty! Whoa, whoa, that's a trout.
Dude, that's a huge brookie. Huge brookie. Look at him. Jesus. There's still like a dozen back there, man. I want to get a dry fly next. I don't have a dry fly. At least I don't think I do. Here, I got this. You get your fish.
Really good.
That's a really, really big trout there, Dad.
Oh, look at this trout.
Beautiful. What a fish.
Whoa.
Alrighty, man.
Oh, fourth. Holy moly, what a size of a fish that is. Holy moly, is that a trout, you think?
It's got to be a fucking
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Bird on
He's a
the
nice
tree.
fish too.
whatever.
Yeah, I hope it's a brookie.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to
Nice
see
big old laker. Like I said, a dozen casts.
from up here.
How was that?
The world seems
Yeah,
I'll
we
let
did.
you away with that.
All right.
Take it easy.
He's a
we
gorgeous
can
fish.
sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me,
Boy, he's a bear.
meant to be in the great outdoors.
Oh, the size of this fish here.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Show people what you're actually doing. This little trout you have to catch.
That's that wee trout.
There's a fine old fish.
Get out. Get out.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
Yes, sir. She's a biggie.
Forever
Yeah, can you get him up there and so I can get a picture of him? So I can get a.
you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Oliver.
Thanks.
Bobby. Woo.
He's off the ground already.
About the warm curry. Didn't taste these fellows.
Well, this is not going to be. This is not going to be cold. This is going to be scalding hot. Hey, bye, Dad.
Yeah.
Well, we've been here for what, 2 weeks now without taking any photos or videos. Talk about getting into the grind.
Yeah, we're just been busy at trying to get people into the fish.
Yes, bye.
Here we are now having a nice pot of curried chicken and rice and shrimp and Jesus, beans.
Yes, bye. We got our coffees and
Coffee on the go.
guests out having a grand old time. Beautiful day for it. I know there's one down there.
Yeah, there is.
They want to see the double-handed cast. I'll show them.
No, you're gonna get him. Watch when it goes by.